going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. No, I am. Cloudy today, and it says it's 77 degrees, but hey, take what we can get, right? Today's video choice is a little something different out of me. You know, I normally do the car shows, the car how-tos, the car detailing, stuff like that. Today's a little something different. And what is that? Well, we'll get back to that in just a second. But you guys, you know what time it is. And if you've just been watching me for any time, Camaro time, baby. Young kids don't know nothing about that. Now today's video, like I said, is something a little different, but it has to do with what has to be one of the biggest business mistakes of current generation, current time. And what is that? Well, hey, by now you know, as well as everybody else does, it has a YouTube channel. YouTube changed their monetization rules. They went and anybody that have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours in a year, their channel was demonetized. Heads off, gone, done, finished. And then once your channel got built back up, you could put in for a manual request review, or it would do it automatically. Mine is in the process of doing it automatically. Now we'll get back to that in just a minute. Now many of you would say that this isn't about the money anyway. You should never ever do it about the money, which you're correct. I personally started doing YouTube to get out of my shyness. I've always been a shy guy. I don't like speaking in front of people. I don't like being in front of the camera. I love being behind the camera, but it's helped me get out of it. And as a side benefit, after I got my hours up to where they needed to be, my views, well, I could monetize my channel and make a little bit of money for it. That's great. Why would you turn down money for what you do, what you enjoy? You know, everybody always says, do what you enjoy, do what you enjoy. All right, I'm doing what I enjoy. I enjoy making these videos for you guys and gals. So why not get paid for it? I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna make excuses. I've gotten out of what I wanted to do to start with. Now I want to make money with it. There's nothing wrong with that. That's what we do here in the United States. And most of the big nations, that's what we do. Sorry, looking around, they're doing a lot of road construction. I want to see what they're doing. So I'm not going to make an excuse. I'm not going to say I'm sorry or nothing like that. I want to use my YouTube channel to make money. I mean, let's face it, that's what it's for. Now, with all that said, here is where I personally think YouTube has made the biggest, dumbest mistake of all time, of this generation anyhow. Okay, YouTube says they have 1.5 billion users, okay, at any one given time a week. That's a week. 1.5 billion. They said the reason they're demonetizing it is to help protect active creators and their sponsors and all this good stuff. All right, fine and dandy. So let's just assume out of that 1.5 billion people, you have 1 million. I'm just going to round this off to keep the math simple. You have 1 million active creators. Okay? Now let's just assume that 1 million gets 100 views per video. I'm just trying to keep this simple for everybody. 1 million people make one video. That's another million people, active people that the sponsors, videos, and promotional ads and everything gets put out in front of. So how can you say that this is a smart move? I mean, you're taking money out of your sponsor's pocket, you're taking money out of your pocket, and you say you don't make money to start with. I just don't buy it. I do not buy it, YouTube. I'm sorry. But let's just assume that what they say is correct, okay? Let's just give them benefit of the doubt. Alright, I've got my views up, I've got my watch time up, I've got my supporters up, I'm now over 1,000, I'm getting 8,000 watched hours, you know, in 6 months. So, what's going on here, YouTube? I've been over the new rules and threshold for a month and a half now, and still waiting on review. You guys took us down in one fatal swoop, okay? You did. You took us down, said you can't make any money with us anymore until you meet these new requirements. Hold on. You can't make any money with us until you meet these new requirements. I had to stop because there's a cop coming. But, bye-bye, copy. And now you're taking months to get the people who's done the work, busted their ass to get their channels back up. You're taking months to get people's channels remonetized. You say you're doing them on a channel by channel basis, and the one with the most views are getting priorities. I got a simple question for you. A very, very simple question. When we signed up for the partner program, we met the guidelines, you accepted us. You changed the guidelines, okay? You changed the guidelines. Now we've met those guidelines again, and you're dragging your feet. Are you going to pay us the back pay from when our channels met the new threshold? Are you going to give us all that back time and money? I highly doubt it. I highly doubt it. You know, I am very, very surprised that somebody doesn't start a class action lawsuit against YouTube. I mean, look at all the money you're taking out of the pockets. Okay, I've been demonetized a month and a half. And based on, this is just rough estimates from what I was making. Okay, I was making $120, $130 a month. Okay, roughly, give or take a few. Well, you're still holding on to $79 from where you demonetized me, okay? You're still holding on to that money. Pull in here, wrap this video up, and we'll get back to it. You're still holding on to $79 from where you demonetized me in your bank account. So where's the money? Where's that interest going? Where's that interest going? I'm not getting it. So you've got my $79. Let's just round it off to 80 bucks. It was 79 and some change. You got my 80 bucks, and now you owe me for a month and a half. That's $200 that is sitting in your bank account that you owe me. Now you round that off for 1 million people, right? That's 200 million bucks. Where is my money? Now, with that said, everybody, I hope this little video invoked some thought and got you to thinking about what's going on with YouTube. Nobody likes it. It's out of our control, but I am serious. I am very surprised nobody has started a class action lawsuit against YouTube yet. I'd sign up for it. I really would. You're holding on to money you shouldn't be holding on to. I earned it. Going by your rules, I earned it. Give me my money and give me my interest. And then remonetize my freaking channel. I'm up to the new standards. And let me start drawing my money. Let me continue doing my videos. That's all it is. But I just want to do this video to invoke some thought into everybody that is thinking about doing this, because I know you guys well enough to know you're going to change the rules on us again. I know it. Just as sure as I'm sitting in here in a bright red with white stripe 5th Gen 2012 2SS Camaro. I know you're going to do it. But I just wanted to get this out there. It's a little bit of a rant, infomercial video. Just something I wanted to throw out there to everybody, because I haven't heard it discussed before. I mean, I've heard the new rules discussed before and everything, but never like this. And then as I was driving, the whole class action lawsuit thing popped in my mind. I mean, I do not, under any circumstances, condone violence. I do not. What happened was wrong. But you have seen what happens when you go to messing with people's money. It doesn't matter if it's $10 or $10 million. When you go to messing with people's money, you are going to have to reap the whirlwind. And I am so sorry for the people that was injured in the shooting at YouTube. I mean Google, well, Google, YouTube, same thing. I am so sorry about that. I really am. When that happened, I said, oh my God. I knew instantly who it was, not personally or by name, but I knew it was a disgruntled, demonetized creator. And that's what we all are, creators. I knew instantly. But when you go to messing with somebody's money, you have to be willing to reap the whirlwind and the consequences that comes with doing something so stupid. This is a monumental business decision. The lady that's in charge of YouTube right now, she needs her butt fired. Just needs it fired for allowing this to happen. But like I said, I just wanted to throw this out there, give some of you guys and gals something to think about. And maybe you haven't thought of it before. Let's open a dialogue. Let's open a discussion. What do you guys think about the monetization rules or demonetization rules, as it turned out to be? Yeah, O'Reilly Auto Parts is hiring. I just thought I'd drive up here and see what they got for detailing stuff. But I hope you guys are having a most wonderful day. I really do. This is not meant to sound hateful or anything like that. It's just a few thoughts that was running through my mind. And I hope you have a most blessed day. Get out there and enjoy your car. You earn it. You pay for it. Get out there and enjoy it. You guys take care, and we'll see you next video.